Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair, and I got something cool right here that I picked up. You know how much I like dirt bikes, working on them. We got this cool bike right here, and those of you who know these bikes will know. Here you go. You can tell what it is right there. You see that? That's right, it's a CR250. This is a 2005 model. I'm going to be redoing this whole thing, taking it apart, cleaning it up, but I'm not doing a super high dollar build like you see some channels do with endless money. We're going to be doing a home build here. I'm going to replace the parts that are needed, and the rest of it's going to be maintaining, making sure that everything is good on it, checking the engine, checking the bearings. Anything that needs replacement for safety is going to be done, and then we're going to make it look good with a plastic kit, new tires, you know, and all that kind of stuff. So this is a home build, guys. This is what I would expect that most of my viewers are going to be doing. It's buying bikes, cleaning them up, riding them for a little bit, and selling them. Not buying them and throwing, you know, $5,000 worth of items into them. So I'm going to go over a quick overview of the bike, what it is, what it looks like, and what you guys can expect. And I can't wait to tear into this thing. So let me show you. All right, guys. So again, this is a 2005. CR250. It's got a couple add-ons to it, a couple fat bars. It's got suspension done by a company called Lewis Racing Suspension. Never heard of them before. If you did, please comment. Also, it's got aftermarket radiators on it. I've already taken a couple bolts off because they were kind of rigged up in there. It's got some China levers. These are going to go. This is the only kind of really cheap part that I found on the bike. Everything else on it, it's got Warp 9 wheels. It's got a couple protectors on it. Good set of pegs. It's got pretty clean pipe on it. It's got a dent on it there, not too bad. Pretty good bike. Looks like it's in good shape. It's gonna be a great shell to get started on. There's a couple things you should do when you get a bike like this. If you're looking for one of these and you want it to be your main bike, make sure you check things like air filter and all that kind of stuff. Now I'm going to show you something pretty funny that I found on this bike right here. You know, if you don't have a KTM, you can kind of make it like a KTM, okay? Who needs those little side bolts when you can just go ahead and put on a single bolt fastener for your seat? So this thing comes off here. All right, and then the seat just comes up. See, they took the two side pieces off and just put the single bolt on there. Well, you know, interesting, but I'll be getting another seat. So, which I need, guys, too, if anybody has one. Now, that right there, guys, is pitiful. This air filter, you know these two strokes, they're pumps, they suck in air, burn it, it goes through the crankcase and everything. You got to keep these filters clean. This is just unacceptable. This is nasty. That's going to be taken out and cleaned up, and if it's still in one piece, we'll use it. If not, we'll get a new one. Look how dirty that is, that air box. Come on. Disgraceful. All right, guys, so that's it for now. I just wanted to get a good look at it, kind of start stripping things apart, seeing what we got, seeing the condition of the engine, and seeing, you know, where we need to go with that. So my question to you is that a lot of people with these are going with the restyling kit. Do I go with the restyling kit, or do I keep it stock, the stock plastic that the way it was, and just get a sticker kit for it? I want you guys to go down to the comments and go ahead and let me know. I want you to vote on that, and I'll keep a check on the comments, and we'll see where we're going with this. Restyle kit or keep it stock? Guys, let me know. Hopefully this helps you out and get you fired up to start restoring these bikes and building them back. I can't wait till this one is done. I'm going to go order a whole bunch of parts for this thing, and I'll show you a list at the end of everything I got and how much it cost. So, and like I said, this is going to be a home build, not a high dollar build. So we'll get this thing running right, looking good, and back on the trails. So guys, hopefully till next time, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Guys, don't forget, go down below and let me know, restyle or stock. Till next time, guys, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.